so AMD sold off really heavily. I tried to catch a reversal on S4. I did it a little bit too early. I should have waited for the double bottom, because you have two type of reversal, either double bottom or just V reversal. This one I took it here, put a stop loss below 56.
I would like to invite all of our members to join our first ever live trading workshop. It's a full day event in Fort Lauderdale in Florida. We're gonna have live trading with some of very best traders in the community, walking around you, helping you to make the decisions while you are in the trade, while you are practicing, to make you a better trader. If you're interested, sign up bearabletraders.com/workshop. We have few spots left, and I'm really looking forward to see as many of our traders in the events. I think it's going to be amazing.
All right, good morning everybody. This is Andrew. I'm going to do the recap. I had a pretty good day. I had a really nice reversal on AMD. So AMD was selling off. It was really trading flat at the open. It really sold off. The whole semiconductor index is really under pressure because I think there's a lot of tension between China and US, and the companies who are exporting technology to China, they're all under pressure. So even in Asia market, Samsung and some other companies are really under pressure that they're dealing with China. Anyway, so AMD sold off really heavily. I tried to catch a reversal on S4. I did it a little bit too early. I should have waited for the double bottom, because you have two type of reversal, either double bottom or just V reversal. This one I took it here, put a stop loss below 56, but a much better entry would have been after you test this, and then that would have been a good entry. Really nice run up all the way up to above the VWAP. I thought it's gonna go green, but it didn't. So I sold and added more heavily below the VWAP, popped up, sold some, added more again, but it really never went to green. So I'm still in there. My average is 52.29, so I still have room for my average to get stopped out. It might go back up, or it might just continue going down, and this might become a false breakout. An example of a V reversal is Uber. Uber actually sold off really heavily. I took a short right at the open on it for 5-minute opening range trick down, but really, as you see here, it did a very, very nice, amazing V reversal. These V reversals are really hard to catch, so you can't really get these reversals are really, really hard to catch, because you need a level of some sort of a confirmation. Another good trade that I did was Meta. Meta was selling off. I tried to catch a couple of double bottom on that, stopped out, but eventually I got, I found this double bottom at around 10.15.10. I went long at 127.25, popped up, sold some, added more below the VWAP, popped up to 129, and turned out to be, I made all of those losses back, and I'm still profitable on that. So that's it for my trading day. Brian, how was your trading day?
It was good. We when I went through all the charts, like I usually do before the open, I noticed both TSM, Taiwan Semi, and Uber were setting up as possible rising devil trades. So they were gapping down on news, and both of them were trading below the VWAP, and both of them getting weaker as we got closer to the open. So I took a short on both of them on the pop-up. Took a short on Uber, and just under, was it 24.25, I should say, 25.87, 25.85. And then with TSM, I took a short at 64.40. TSM just really didn't, it took a long time for it to start to break down, but Uber just did a perfect rising devil trade, popped up at the open, and then just started to sell off. And I just kept partialing down. And I mean, it dropped way below where my last exit was, but I was happy with that trade. So overall, other than that, I did trade with you on Meta, and I think Thor did that too. That was a Thor call, so shout out to Thor for that one.
Yeah, I saw
And
this is the
Yeah.
trade that Thor has. So he just got entry at 127, almost. I tried to catch a couple of them here. I got stopped out, but that was exactly the trade, and he must be in there still at 130. Yeah, obviously. Nice.
Yeah, I got in late, but yeah. Anyway, it was a nice trade up through 129. So that's it. Yeah, overall it was a pretty decent day. I had those two nice Rising Devil trades, so that was a good setup.
Excellent. So we had a really good sign up and turnover for our workshop in Florida. Are you guys coming? Who's coming in the chat room and in the YouTube? So we have over 50 people. John is also decided to come. So we have a really big lineup of our moderators. So that would be amazing. This is a first workshop that we're going to be live trading plus webinars. It's going to be really, really amazing. I'm so excited, and I think that showcase what an amazing community we are. So the link is here, bearabletraders.com/workshop. So you can RSVP. We are staying in Westin, which is a really nice hotel. We also have a discounted price on that. It's like $160 a night. And yeah, the schedule is up there. There's live trading, and then there's presentations and everything over there. We're gonna have lunch together, and obviously social after that. And Fort Lauderdale, Florida is really beautiful in that time for those of you who want to come out of that. So we have over 50 people sign up, plus 10 of our moderators, 60 people. So that's a really good turnaround. And bring your trading laptop and trading screen, so you can actually have live trading or simulator trading if you need some help and support. That would be awesome. And if you want to sign up fast, because we need to really finalize the number of people for both internet, because we pay for the internet, and plus for the lunch. I hope that I can see at least 60-70 people in there. That would be really nice. So Meta is coming up. I'm just jumping back a little bit on it. Markets really sold off, but now is bouncing back. I think everything is really depending on the inflation number this week, which I think is going to be bad. But you know, the Cathy Wood recently wrote a letter to Fed that what the hell are you doing? You know, you're constantly looking at the lagging indicators, like inflation and job numbers are lagging indicators. You know, you can destroy the economy and then the numbers come up. So you have to look at the leading indicators. This is the fastest tightening ever, and obviously impacts everyone. Which there are some justifications to that criticism. But the Feds, they lost the credibility, you know, by not acting fast, and then the only thing that they care is just to want to bring back the credibility. But really they're impacting, you know, bond market, especially bond market. It's just, look at that bond market. Wow. Like from the highs of 155 is now $100. Anyways, so that's it, guys. So today is Tuesday. Who did we have for webinar? For webinar today, I think it's Eamon today, isn't it? For the presentations.
Yeah, they.
Thor. It's Thor. Oh yeah, it's Thor. Actually, it's Thor talking about the volume price analysis. So Thor's book is going to be ready as well. So get excited for that. And yeah, we have some good stuff on the pipeline. Thank you so much, guys, and have a good day. See you tomorrow morning.